Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to copy GitHub code in VSCode. Firstly, go to github.com and navigate to the repository page where you want to clone. Now, click the green code button. Under the HTTPS tab, click copy to copy the repository URL. Now launch VSCode on your computer and press Ctrl+ to open the integrated terminal, or go to View Terminal from the top menu. In the terminal, type git clone and your URL, then press enter, and after the clone completes, run cd css text animation, then open the folder in VSCode, just code dot. Make sure code command is available in path. If not, use VSCode to manually open the folder. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.